The Renogy 400-watt solar kit is an excellent choice for those looking for efficient and reliable solar power generation, capable of delivering a daily output of up to 2.5 kilowatt hours. This kit is built to withstand harsh conditions, featuring a strong glass surface and aluminum frame that can endure high wind and heavy snow loads. The advanced MPPT charge controller included in this kit offers superior tracking and conversion efficiency, significantly outperforming traditional controllers. Safety is a top priority with this system, as it incorporates comprehensive protection features, including fuses and wide-diameter cables to prevent power loss and overheating. With the Bluetooth module, users can conveniently monitor and modify system parameters from their phone, providing real-time data and extended signal range. Overall, the Renogy 400-watt solar kit offers a robust, user-friendly, and safe solution for those seeking to harness solar energy effectively.